Hi everyone, I'm Albert Varki. In this video we are going to explore one of the most powerful shortcuts in Excel. It's called Flash Fill. Let's dive in. It can save you hours of time, as it will help you avoid unnecessary complexity and formula invention. It's super simple and it allows you to continue patterns instantly. If you make it part of your workflow, you can extract numbers, create emails, clean up names, and much more. This feature is called Flash Fill. Let's go through some examples. We have a list of employee names and we want to extract their initials. Type the initials for the first person. In our case, it's JM, and press Enter. Click on this cell once and then press Ctrl E. Excel automatically fills in the rest of the initials for the whole list. Next, let's remove the middle names. Type only the first and last name. In our example, James Miller. Click on the cell, then press Ctrl E. Excel will recognize the pattern and apply it to all rows, removing the middle names. Next example. Let's create corporate emails. Type the first email in the format firstname.lastname@company.com. In our example, it will be james.miller@company.com. Press Enter and then Ctrl E. And Excel generates all the emails for the rest of the list. We can also create Instagram handles. Let's type the first one. For example, @James_Miller. At first, Excel might show an error because of the @ sign. To fix that, just add a small apostrophe before the @. Now the handle looks correct. Press Enter, then Ctrl E, and Excel fills in the rest of the handles automatically. And one more example. Extracting numbers from cells that contain text and numbers. Just type the first number manually, press Ctrl E, and Excel pulls out all the numbers from the rest of the cells. Again, this shortcut is called Flash Fill, and it's one of the most useful tools in Excel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.